Convertible, brand new to red with white interior, split seats, air conditioning, doors. You giving me a Cadillac?
Don't do that. Hey.
Park downstairs. We're done eating lunch. We'll drive on over to Mom's house.
You're gonna ruin it. Hey, that's not nice. Are you mean?
I'm taking the train home.
Are you nice? You're not nice? Are you mean?
I have plenty of money. You know, if you ever need anything. You worried? About me? No, I'm not worried. I can't buy my
Are you a good girl?
Too nice.
You're not a good girl? Hey, don't do that. Hey. You broke it. It's broken. Well, don't see. Look what you did. I told you not to sit on it or stand on it. Here. Hold on. Did you fix it? Put it back in the refrigerator, in your fridge. No, no. You don't want my shoes. Yuck. No, leave them alone. You don't need them.
Oh.
Why do you, no.
No.
Where's your shoes? Hey, where's your shoes?
6 weeks for marriage. My son bought me a Cadillac today. I think that calls for a toast.